Welcome to the Woodland Hills project. I'm Steph Lynch. I'm the site soup. I've been with Hammer in Hand for 20 years, and I'm going to show you around this beautiful building. The house will also be equipped with a smart home system that will allow the clients to control their lighting and other devices in the house through keypads on the wall or even their smartphones or iPads. As you can see, my electrician has done a fantastic job of routing all the wires down to the mechanical room in the basement. Here we have our roof hatch room. It's a small room, but a very important room. It's going to allow access to the roof so that we can keep the solar panel array clean. So the solar panels on the roof are going to be feeding Tesla walls that will be placed down in the garage. This is going to become backup if power should ever fail. This is a narrow section of our mechanical room that is housing our span panels. These span panels are tied to the Tesla power walls, and what they do is the client creates a list of importance of all the utilities in the house that he would like to have up and running if power goes down. These smart panels will then be programmed to shed power as the power level of the Tesla wall starts to go down, so that there's always power available for the most important utilities. This is just an indicator of how many wires are needed to make a home a smart home.